in the challenges and simple joys of life. Salute the Lord, the sustainer of the creation in the form of this light. I salute this light, the Lord. May He destroy afflictions resulting from my omissions and commissions. From the infinite, the world becomes manifest. From the infinite, even if the whole is taken away, what remains again is infinite. From discipline and humility comes worthiness and good character. From worthiness and good character, one can get wealth by doing good deeds and charity. With wealth, one can get happiness. Shubham karodi kalyanam arogyam dhara sambada shatru buddhi vinashaya. Brings auspiciousness, prosperity, sound, health, abundant wealth, and destroys the intellect's enemy or salutation to you. Om Sahanavadu Sahanavunatu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinamanditamastu Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May He protect both of us. May we both acquire the capacity. May our study be brilliant. May we not argue with each other. Om, peace, peace, peace. Thank you. Namaskar.